mutegeri wa Meru TV mbetikire nkethi cia rukiri rwa tariki 10 rwa tariki 5 acha mweri yuena na mwaka no yotire ya 2026 igilugite ndeka 16 akenyuma thithu cherukiri kumba kwithira achikiro ama good morning kene chuchiketu kya bina au mubango no yoturinge migichuchi kya mbere tuthomere ndeto cia Meru TV rukiri kya bili to murika ngatheti igichuchi kya bitha tomba kwitha tukimurika siasa burachitete na mbere account ni ya Meru ome ya Meru na nyande gurune yetu yonthe ya Kenya na kindi chuchi kietu kia bina mubangone yuankathi ya kithomo na ratu watanirite na Purity Kathambi urani librarian nomba kwithira kirutira ngwe yawe au library ya county ya Meru. Karibuni sana tumbe kwithira tukiaraniria na thai ana betu ba imichino mwanka tumbe kwithira tukimenyane ati achiari abethirikia betethia ana betu batikolwo imauku batikolwo ikuthoma na irolire kumuchiari abati kumba kwithira akipleke nda utira mwana inyendira imuchino wethite na mbere na kumba kwithira akithoma no twindi muno trima ana baingira cukuru achiari akinya batienda kumenya kithira iba yo muak kana kithira bati yo muak kithira iba kuthoma kana kithira bati kuthoma no twachiari iba twikire mbise sana watu kakinyaka gitego karanthe ya mwana enda kumenya last term imbiara bwithetie ni imbiara thoma arakinyite na mathomo atena akanya kau. Karibu sana tumbe kutha tukiaranire watakaramu na yuku kwanza mnowe wi muchiari na kana no kubanga gutwika muchiari no tumantu jano mwanka umbe kwithira wikilukira kiriyo ndenda kunenkera mugeni wetu kanya tukethia ture marito yawe atwira umite kuna ingwiriku omba kwithira kirita kenda tukiambirire kwaranire twaranirie tukimenyana. Karibu sana Madam Purity.
Thank you.
Akede mutegeri wa Meru TV amburikari marito yaku na ingwiriku ruta.
Okay. Mugeni ya Meru rito riakwa mbitawa Purity Kathambi otautomba kwigwa na nditaga ngugi ya librarian ara Meru County na Meru County Library ethagira area au opposite Meru Primary igaiguru kidogo ya Huduma Center au nio mbitagira ngugi yakwa.
Karibu sana. Akwina mtu akenda kuria role ya librarian niriku non twindimo batu twithoma tu skuru twathwana ketu yani ili muntu tu akubone nkara mauku chukuru yo story inaisha role deep role ya librarian niriku na mno kiribabo gwisitu tendikiri library
area ngwetikia the major one the role of a librarian ni kwithira kethira ke encourage mwana wonde kana muntu wonde kwithira imwendio mauku librarian te kwezana mauku ake kana gukwira nyathoma ake kwina ngugi nyingi mono ciomba kwithira cikarika ara ura library kuthithiri nyana about counseling ko encourage achiari kwethira by close na ana bao mono in terms of kwethira ndene education na pia ko encourage schools kwethira bagitumira library no to that is one of the resources that tunacho especially in Meru County.
Thank you. Karibu sana. Rwarenda anontu twarire matuje role ya muchiari kire ko encourage kuthoma na aramichi chukuru ichi na no trima nyendera chukuru chingi ko yachiari nyaba akwenda kumenya kithira na boiba kuthoma kana kithira bati kuthoma ibabwithitio omwaka kana batithitio omwaka batenda kumenya akiba ichi mwana kuthoma bati kuthoma echukuru akinyira muchie ai ni mwana ni uchetha mantu ya mauko ati bati kumba kwithira aina yo na omuchi bata mwana kumba kwithira kithoma ai muchi niriko
riria mwana kezanjare kane gutega mauku jawe kwi mantu ja mingi mono akorirwa ja skuru nike tumiwonaga schools chigechoka bachoka immediately bakathithia cut kana bakathithia kigero kira kia opening ku test kethera mwana ojo kweri na arare akwena mauku kana atirare akwena mauku so jamuchiari there you need kana kweno batu to play mono ke ana beto concerning education kana kuthoma riri ana bara bakinyerenza we muchiari no bati guteka chance mbere mo kamenya mwana ojo na egi assignment ina homework kana atina homework twambirite na twana tunini mwanka inya high school students. Na mbere make muchiari no batinya kwethera we mwendi kuthoma na no bati kwethera we role model omwana oku kendo inya wo mo encourage kuthoma no wethera mbuga otena interest ya kuthoma maukuja jange anote anything okwenda kuthoma lakini we have bibles nyomba kamoni nya no thomaga no at least a bible no thomaga gazeti.
Kumbe kuthoma tema
uku akiomba kuthoma. No nginya wonie mwana there you need to pray a lot nya ugwaza muchiari ekonie mwana interest ya kuthoma. Gintu kingi no bati kwethera wina at least reading corner iria ugwa we muchiari omba ukera mwana oku twite ara tuthome. Na umenye it is good especially kitwana tura tunini kuthomaniria mwana oku. No kenda kumenya muno imbi by the way na kumbanya kuthoma na atia kuthoma. Okay, kithomo kia thaa ici ki a bit different nontu batwigitare twathoma A B C D lakini ana bathai bathoma na sounds abo na ndio ke kwethea ugo tiumbinya kuthomera mwana ou exactly ura bakuritano skuru iga ageria kwerewa za muchiari na atia mwana munini akuthoma kibaba bakwerewa kuthoma ni it is good kuthomaniria mwana kuna gukara we muraia my son my daughter imbio kastukethika storybook mwana akuthomaga imbio omba kwerewa story we wetaitete atinya ni kwenda kwerewa no tunyani ntirathoma so turi achiari tubati kwethira twe close mono na ana betu rira bainja uka check their homeworks kebaraba egi ukamea mwana kuna kuthithia homework no athithirie nja na no mo prefer gwita library actually jana baba nini from grade 9 mwanka PPs batekuriwa so it is good kumwe encourage the library runtware ura na kuona bangi bakuthoma na kethe uti library basi na uko nyumbani musetere a place where that by mwana we na place ka kona ga kuthithiria homework ewe kana kuthoma and we should encourage them all the time kwithira baima ukune eje ka reduce mantu just screen mono no jana beto baraire ba screen dimo so e ka reduce that time e gukara TV in full time.
Thank you. And now eno trima ende moko ya chiari they are too busy akinya kwenda kumenyana boki kithomo bendelete atia mwana uranendi atithaira akia introduce kana aki develop culture ya kuthoma aya affected atia.
Nowadays tukejo tegera these age gocheta agencies and about bamwe it is hand to hand when you are even not a parent no tekora ogwambuga tema mio kwa they do what they want bakethera by far from education bakethera by far from mantu jarabo bakwenda kumenya mono igintu kiu kia thai batikwenda umenya about future so ikiokeja kwethera mwana I around 25 years na utikia athitheria at a young age atenda kithomo na ku desire no athome lakini mbuga performance ewe inye high school it was very poor no to concentrate na mantu ja social life mono mantu jare akwenda kuthithia nkurukia kithomo na achiari ke tumitubati kwetha twina a lot of time with our children tumenye nyimbi bakuthithia skuru na imbi bakuthithia nyarira bainja no to achiari baba inge to kwa gresawa we are busy working lakini tubati go create some time for our children tubati kwetha twina time njege twana twetu
ana wethire twe mturombete kwithira kirianira nana no kimenya mantu jege kuthoma sana at what age muchiari abatu ku introduce ana bawe kiri mantu jege kuthoma kinyana bara mimbi batireta school.
The moment kana kamenya kwaria rire ana baikagwa play group bakambia kuritana tumantu simple maybe toileting maybe kwethera bakemira kuthithia tumantu tu simple arimu ibomba kwethera bakithomerana tu stories so the moment mwana tu amenya kwaria ana ukona nako kuthikira na no kuigwa na kuigwa it is good to get a story te lazima umuthomere story ndito tu story tu simple to cat dog hair ukageria umuthomera ukaigwa na kuigwa kwigintu kwega story akwina mwana uri agape attention. That is why rero mwikirire cartoon nyama no ate kwigwe chonko no na go follow up the story no kona na kumenya na no akwa inya story na ate aritega mbichake agakwira what is happening. Nande I think the smallest stage mbuga miake ethatu no batikwetha ukintroduce mwana oku kemantu akuthoma na kumuonia kuthoma igo kwega.
Ni atatu bati turi achiari ku make kuthoma kwithira kwi friendly akiriana no ntu enduthiri makwina saying tichethera ni aumera kutwika kwi introduce mwana ke kuthoma akamena kuthoma kabisa, either akamena skuru akamena mauku, but to make it friendly akenda mwana uwa ahita na mbere woro okura akenda mauku na akenda kuthoma. Ni atatu bati kukubwithia ya achiari
kithomo utibati ukinyeria mwana umwira lazima kwina time ubati go set time maybe like 30 minutes ekuthoma ti ati mwana atinda maukune from morning to evening. That is one. Secondary ogwe kuonia mwana interest kuthoma niria noe na like au Meru County Library mbona tukiencourage achiari on Saturdays kuizania na mwana oku bukathoma noe either kamuthomera ka story kana wengo kathoma bukathoma niria noe nya yukurira rimwe na mbuga itu beja time ku discuss kira bathoma. So kwa hivyo leo kaonia mwana interest buthome ka story within 10 to 15 minutes 30 minutes nawe mwana ore atigwa bowling no muonia ati lazima withero ukune for like 6 hours mwana ona kwenda inyawe break moku yukure batikwethare afraid to you. Wathoma kanini you can give them time to play. Nuntu inyara kibara banini tubaeja kanya bathoma for some hours tunawapatia time ya kucheza especially wale wadogo. Yeah.
Akwina ana bara batendete mantu yeye kuthoma kana batendete mantu yeye mauku mwana une tunafaa tumfanye aje kenda at least apende ano tunyaba bwitike na roro ki librarian kwe muchieri library kwe muchieri yakwira kana kaga komare ande yatumureta nambo netira kende nya kuthoma kuna watoto hawapendi kabisa babati kubwithi wate
manojo of course they kawa mura. It's good to cancel that child. Na rimwe tukaga ikava ukeja kwethera kuyo omba kuthoma inya visually visual ukeja kwethera kwina yuku ga break a story nontu kwecho nona kwe maukuja moja daja written a story lakini ekaitwa yuku lakini it's in a video form. Okay kwethera kwe possible it is good to do so. Lakini the best thing kwamba kwariria mwana oria ukenderea kumwarira na kumencourage jagwetania nwe bukathoma a story shortly bugeta no amuchwira by the best thing kwena mwana wonde kwena interest ya thairainio maybe kwenda kuthoma about environment kwenda kuthoma maybe just a play bona rugono rure rwetire ate muntu wetire ate kwenda kuthoma about animals geria oambie kumuchwira imbie ogerie kumenya imbi mwana mbere emendaga arienda about animals. Let's continue umuchwire tukutura tuina animals na to stories to animals maybe kama attract kuthoma inyage ntu kiu kingi mbere na tio murazimisho mwira lazima uthome thome ino ekenda at least agia interest ya kuthoma.
Akwina a reading maybe in a family akienda maybe gukiria mwana ora maybe atikwenda kuthoma kwithira kwina reading culture ke family na atayomba kwithira strengthen relationship mwana akimauku kendete na mbere na kwenda mauku.
And then a family rerabo kirire like maybe in the morning maybe you prefer to take breakfast first wanywa breakfast yenu mbuga ibwethagira bwena time ya maybe kwe yuku burathomete goro let us share what you read yesterday kana maybe ni ogoro you are reading together like a Bible. By the way I like that family bara bakarande bakarombera amo kana bakathomera Biblia amo. The moment boy is an assignment we utasoma iki na iki no tutema ukujara ja skuru ijara toina jo skuru ja bakuthoma every day obati kuthoma up and ask imbi bogo rathomere where imbi urathomere awenda dire imbi urathomere you ask each other tulisoma nini no kuona I know kama idota gakeza kuthoma gauku imuragia in grade 1 lakini imuragia mbira kanini imbio gitatia gwata imbio thoma ka story kau gakwariragia mbi nkaegwa ka story inyanda egwa ka story gate karaka yukune I will accept no ndo nkuona na next time akenda kuthoma kendeza kumbira what she read and it is good to kwithira tukiurani nyabi uria as a family rira tukarinthia
okay anebwaga sana enao kwina generation iraturi na kithomo kiria gikunendekia simbi no trima inyana bani ni mno ibakwa introduced kithimu gwituika kwina jaraba kuthoma thimune mathomo mengi gwithika thimune watrima nende most of the times ana batene ibatana wa muno na thimu na mwana batene bateja wakanyaga kuria na thimu watrima mwana akagwata thimu ndirakurire buru lakini banende kinya kana kanini maybe nya PP1 watrima kinya maybe grade 1 grade 2 grade 3 ibambere gutumira thimu akastui computer ni atayumba kwithira iki affect reading culture no to watrima nende mwana na gwatire thimu ukithwana kigakuthoma imechetho ne kiari ugaije mwana computer ene abwithio mwaka mimbire be mwarimu antwethiraga kuthoma na itire computer ene mantu jegi technology itethetie atia positively na negatively ke mantu jegi reading culture.
The positive side ni gutetheria muno when you go to searching maybe gwikio bati kwerewa ukona iba go search ke online na bakomba utetheka na it is not bad kwethera mwana omunenkerete thimu kana maybe omwete access ya computer yaku lakini tu as parent no bati kwethera ukiobserve mwana oku actually imbia kuthithia nenda gukwira like yesterday kwe twana ndarone by very busy na bakiri lakini wameweka earphones kwa masikio na ni ana ba grade 8 9 au otegera ino tuibaba nene lakini ukienda pale wanacheza game hawafanyi anything so ira bindire mbere kutumia simu si mbaya lakini nande tuizire akenda tuthithia assignment chietu I will either pick your phones kabonenkera boathiria kana you keep them and by the way they obeyed that na in the moment rira to ana access ya gutumira the digital things ida to banenkera itwethire twiki afu na twethire twibategera ja chiari imbi mwana okwa kuthithia unge uri arejere for the last 2 hours alikuwa kwa simu kwa mambo yake leta na mwira my son ugore ukuthithia ri nipatie hiyo simu yako nikuweke but alizima mara hiyo na akaiweka kwa mfuko na amberia ku concentrate na mauku so ingwetekia rira tubaere access kuthithia kethera mwana atigutumira thimu yawe kuthoma you for that moment ile mwere kanya atumira ke mauku let's be careful as parent totegere imbi tukuthithia na te parents akikinya schools na raba ina access ya computers let us be careful na ojaura utienda mwana oku athuka inyana au ome ukenda mwana mtu ongeza kuthukwa ni what we are giving them and let us encourage them their free time they can use their phones lakini also nyaba itumirana utomenye imbi bakuthithia achi
thank you ana be muchimu tiari abati kumanage atia screen time na mathaa ya kuthoma no ntunya kethire tukuiba thome atirete kuthoma kumarukire mwango at least akethira aina ka break ni ate muchiari abati ku create that gap kana ka break kau ekakwira mwana nende kaite ka ku watch tinto toku na we watch for 1 hour ethira mwira nao kaite ka kuthoma
ingwitikia tukeja ku create time for them like tukauga when we take our breakfast the first things in the morning ni kuambia kutonya mokune maybe for the first 2 hours or 1 hour na tukaethera tu strict with our time iwe gabatethia after that umake mauku you go to your cleaning oitathithie ngugiro bati kuthithia cia nyomba no tututeba imauku na screen ake iba bati kwetha bakithoma bakirita no ngugi inge socially kwe work like boys bara baina area maybe ushago kana those ladies buga bukerwa this time ugeta ko utwire ng'ombe kana utwire uthithie 1 2 3 maybe mantu jaome from there you can do this, then in the afternoon you can relax as you watch and do other things na nditwi aciari tubati kubangana betu Kedhi bara betite library. Maybe after you wake up, take your breakfast, then didi yangu geji neji mbere umara. Wadiria wete library. Then from 3 come back home, relax. Mpaka kesho tena. I had another parent another day complaining mwano wa mutigere kumutiga nyumba na mwano munene amutiga mwarenji rangu gya keja tediveti. So like as parent rero keza wethera mwana kwa tediveti ngugera ubangite athithia, what do you do? Iko mura mbere maira ibwega ko mukano kinya ketha ateka wa mura mboro enene kano akamukarithia nde wa mwarire wa mwira, it's about your tomorrow, we are preparing you for tomorrow. Nonto manto jamo kuthitha like a girl ukaja kwethira atithia umba kwethira itainde nyomba area boreja aciari na ugonu marire weta. What about her future? Agakara atia nonto tutikumia kethira life yewe gakara atia umbere ugwa ukenja kwethira utiku afford maybe kwethira wina house manager nyombeku ugatura aruko. That's the question number 1. Kethira we are a boy child ugwo kaimane nje atende nje kurire okamuchiari kethira thai urirwa thithi ojo karega. So it is good to create time for them okabera from this hour to this you are supposed to do this. Nonto kinyana baba nene ba teenagers wanaweza shida hapo kwa screen the whole day. Okay, so kethira nende thakumi bakwenda kwambia thambi into kuthambia nyomba no tuiba ukira gutetua. So it is good to give them hours. Wabera ika babo relax the nyanya, lakini these and these hours they are supposed to be, you are supposed to be in books. Hii unafaa kwa cleaning and this time you are supposed to do this.
Akwena makosa era aciari babwithakia inyakithiriko mistakes.
Mistakes ira aciari tomba kwethera tukithithia rimwe iko murasimisha kwethera ima ukunezare mono for a long time. No uge utokuga mwana no ethere yukune lakini maidija ja tema ukune cham. Okera mwana maybe from this time you should be in books. Another ajira library. India like adults they are not being assessed. Adults to their maybe anabara by high school grade 10 and above. Mwana ore omenye bamwe batejagari mware ore kwithira bakithoma bamwe ona betaba karande amokathugane they are doing their discussion but they have their own stories like lera baeome ya library ndene no to ndene utetekirwa waria. So wakitoka nje pali kuko na space mnaweza discussia unapata they have their own stories. So tebwega inyako murazimisha ati lazima uthome lazima wete ukathome. Talk to them, let them accept and have a willingly heart kwethira oh this is about myself, about my future. Yeah.
Okay. Kwina aciari ana sodi baraba bakwithira bakia brought up maybe any single parent, maybe single mothers, bangi single father wati manende kwina that relationship maybe mwana mware I raised up na ithe a single father na however much muciari akwenda kwa close to these children na akwenda kubaritana bring up that culture, maybe waking up in the morning, tuarike mantu ya breakfast, tunafanya cleaning, tukabwithia mantu jegie, tunaanza sasa kusoma, all that na muciari I so willing to spend more time. Na baba we bari na muciari omukuru atima na boana maybe kwina burana barirawa unapata kuna vile wasichana kidogo tukura separate na baba zetu muno twambio ukura twambio kinyaka stage karatu kumenya tumantu watirima itu separate na the same case na ba andaka barabareri ni single parent buchiari I so willing akwenda kuona mwana we maybe na ku develop that culture ya kuthoma na ya ukarabwega lakini ana wana separate baikura bagita ita huyu mzazi ina abati kwambiriria na abati kubwithia mbike at least atire na kureta na bawe yakui ibakumba kwithira bakiaraniria ibakwira na kaika iteka kuthamba kaika iteka kubwithe cleaning kaika iteka kuthoma.
When a child kana mwana riri arererwi single parent, it's a bit tricky na nithagira sometimes ina umu fulani. Na rimwe kurera mwana we as a single parent ti kwithira in a some percentage of course ti wendo bwaku kwithira wirera mwana we as a single parent. Lakini rira mwana ozo ambiri nyabengwa kuona I'm being raised by my dad or my girl. Inkoreswa ni mom na ya maboy. Mwano, okay, mwano uno there somehow ina ka difference na maybe mwano anapara bange baresi tweni both parent. Now here comes whereby how do you raise your child as a single parent? No most spoil yani no komea kwe uomba ko treat mwano ojo mwanka kaigua yani you are kind of you are different. Nunto no umwana ombugo otikiage tia like kama weka mfuko kako kako sawa utike mwana etakio mwata. Na maybe time yenu irabo spend na mwana ba mwete maybe nya kithomo utike valuate ja mutiari jo nunto tia tiari bonde ba valuate kithomo kana tunga single parent ko ba valuate kithomo sana ko of course bate maybe bate na umantone ja kithomo. We ngoge kuni orere mwana fees at school athome umeu utemo encouraging. So as a parent nobody could play to a big role like any other parents kana whereby no wait nyabo ina both parents but maybe mzazi mmoja hata ananga hizo za masomo kabisa. Yani utero wedra mbuga za baba akira mwana manto amathomo kana mami ojo akira mwana manto amathomo. So there is not also much big difference whether or is it mwana imochiari umwe. So kethera ni mwari na you have your dad there. Jamuchiari omukuru nobati kwethera tu ge pray a lot of a parent. Era mwana okumanto no zaro komba komwera of course. And if you can't tell her everything buga kwena mami okukana your sister. Omba kwethera we murifa mwera araraya na mwana okwa mbuga ika favor. Favor araraya no na mwana ocho okwa manto jakonia 1 2 3. Kethera nukumia like nande ariba korere you need one or two things noije when you are growing up no amberia go change no kuwa like ntebatio kara kwena dad. Even those children it is no na iba kwenda wisa pare lakini as a aunt as a shosh grandma no withdraw kiaria na mwana ore no kona mantu ijagweta boega no we talk to them rikwere mwantu ethara twena inya twe talk now tukauga wacha tuongee na wasichana wetu wacha tuongee na teenagers tiga twari na this group of ana like together in grade 7 to 9 kana kethera bo grade 7 to 9 bakubwa kwekirwa kibara ba schools bakarirwa bonde amwe no kona ana baiba kuigwa so kwina mantu jamo wa vera na beta bakageria kujathithia na are anja. So we as a single parent you just encourage your child nyakethera kama ni jeda yoyote kama ni wasichana kama ni vijana just talk to them. No anabara also they have ears. Na by the way anabara I like some of the kids barabara single parent nonto wanaona I'm focused. Yani in focus tena enda ino tena mami kana tena dadi mimi ni mimi na mzazi mmoja I have to work at, like I had a girl who was telling me mimi ninajua nimelezewa na baba yangu na ntumbako mu let down. I want to make him proud. Dai amemaliza huyo msichana amemaliza college sasa kwa attachment. So unaona anajaribu afanye kitu yenye itafurahisha mzazi. So kinyariro kendelea kwa ariana era na bakuoma bonerie uma uninde ninka na yo nubo kono oranda waka no to this the father and 2 children wale alikuwa analipia fees. Ninyadha hii struggling waone wamemaliza vizuri. Kwa hivyo you talk to your child wemuona ya future ne kuko dhondeka erujo. Na whatever comes mwana okwe mantujara getaitho mawengo ore agukura lakini it is not good to spoil mwana okuna what you have muthondeke ore arujo akethera na gintu kiawe no mu encourage
ko yonde gwo weta mantuje teenagers na wichi mwana ambiriro kinyarora kiti teenage kwina changes tiumba kwithira chigaruka na rimwe na lose interest mantu ya maingi mno. In case your teenager lose interest mantu jegie maybe reading, unafaa ufanye nini? No tuneno utrima maybe aki grow up akwina mantu yararendete lakini amefika akakainji ambiria kuona mantu yothe utibio hakuna atithoma au timbi, huyo mtoto ameanza ku lose interest aliokinya this age ya teenage, na ukimenya teenage ni thaira ina tu challenges twayo, unafaa umweke aje umrudishe.
Ku create your time na mwana ojo is one of the most important thing. Whether you create time na mwana ojo na kumuonia the importance of the stages that he or she is undergoing. Au angetwe na arimo ndene schools chetu betha bakidil na counseling. Kwe mwana wiza aina stress na arimo baka notice mwana aina stress, maybe no ntubwa challenges ile ya kuona nja. Ukona achari by take that thing na baka parents teachers baka take that na baka didire mwana counseling no kuona na kugaruka. Ukomba kwa approach a counselor in school akaria na mwana oria inaweza kuwa vizuri. Uka notice na ndio kwa kurema nuntu na ndio achiari twe bamobe tutwe maroro mono kona katukubaura ni uba kweta baigeti was. Maybe there is a church that you go, no worry na your pastor akadithiria mwana counseling. No bado no uchwe a counselor outside, maybe not school not church, ure kumenya no worry na mwana ojo no kamuteka a process of talking to this child. Yani ikethe ati mantu jantu kwemwe, it's a process. Wona ore mwike na arua rojo au maybe ameongeleshwa like a month, ukona by the end of the month buga itete maitajana kwena changes kana gutena changes. That is the best thing nonto. I remember last holiday kwena kare kama mkaizite mutiari ejatigana bawe bare au library bado kare ukan grade 8. Because of this feeling ya teenage, I don't know, ukona mwana ore akwariria muchiari was not good. Twana arego baumarire lore bakweri betere beje bapikwe akona brother kadogo alikata. So tukaona mzazi anakuja anamtafuta ampati na hawana simu. So twakira tubetere teta bachwana arathugania bomba kwethe habari akawakosa, akarudi tena. Akatuuliza sasa nitafanya nini? Tomwira twetaitereana baba tuonekethera tukabona. So the child, the way she talked to the mother, na kare kamwali amugerera njara na mwira hata nyumbani sitaki kubebwa na gari yako, ndienda kwa ananinka. The lady went. Before she went, tukamshika sisi tukamwambia lazima tutaongea. Why are you talking to your mom Ocho? So leo nereba tuto kwa serious akakul na kaacha kuongelesha mama yake hivyo. But the lady didn't wait, alienda tu. So the best thing ikuga tore achari to notice there is something with your child. Tiga tubanenkanege counselors but itire counseling.
Thank you. Na tambuchiari akamenya mwana we maybe akwambira kwa adapt this reading culture atwithire tukimurutana. Ndio kona mwana akige interest ya mauku. Ukamenya mwana okuna aguchenjia. Kwere umba gwitokethiria mwana akugwata inyanga zeti nyomba kana any paper anataka kujua ni nini inaendelea. Kwena maybe news fulani wona chikithomo TV ni abwire nyakireni tusikize hiyo ni nini, kwena gantu akwenda kuona kuigwa. So lero ukona mwana okwambia guchinje completely yani enda mauku inyate kwero kathome gagukira kathoma ukamenya mwana okwena something inside her or him no kona kwena changes. Okay, aturia kwikurekeria ni advice iri kuringi nenkira muchiari na kwenda ana bawe bathoma ana bake batikwenda kuthoma na muchira atikumenya ina abatikumba kwithira kiambiriria na abatikwambiria atia no tukwina where to start and how to start it.
Urempomba kwaraniria na chiari betu tukana arua ikubera gintu kiambere create time for your child. Ithira we create time na mwana oku mwoni nyawe ngwa interest ya kuthoma ni inaire kuyo ina natia yani mwoni kwina ubatu wa kuthoma. kethera like Saturdays otengogene mwikiome like mwiki na library ete ni buthomanirie noe especially ana baba grade 9 tugetwe na mi mwanka twana tonini etanie inoe chwe niga ukukara kathongi tugerie kuthoma na by the way kwina another program daronere kuna kitu inaitwa elimu pepe wanaweza tafuta kwa online elimu pepe on download or register ina maukuja maingi sana za kuthoma za kuma kipublishers mwanya no buthomenwe nya au nonto ni online no buthomenwe no buthomere nya nyumba mbere ma ugone mwana kwina interest ya kuthoma create time for your child na rire bukamberio pole mwana ore akage interest ana ba my like them nonto akwe ana bauga bongo abetete kuthoma na some of the schools nujichira chena tuition like Saturdays ichira chena tuition like holidays but still mwana oku on Sunday afternoon bo mambuga kanisa ne body relaxite gerinyo muria tubiuria twa skuru one yani kwina ugwe nyawe ngo we na interest ya mauku na kinyawe ngo chiritane we mochiari kuthoma read something kendane nyabo ba encouraged kuthoma nonto bona na ndika we mami we ndadi utikwenda kuthoma unaniambia nisome nini so kuwa na interest hata we ya masomo
Thank you anibwega sana kwina math irantu baitikiti yegie bantu ya kuthoma ni gani
andu za math oniora okay kwina antu gento ba kimwe ba kuga tunasoma na hakuna kazi antu ibetikitie baingi una bamwe adire kwaraniria na not teenagers but the youth origwa muntu aikwira turi thoma na gutina ngugi but ndienda kubera okagita na mantu jako you can read na okadhiria miaka 5 but at last ukeja kuona ngugi still kuna kazi na kuna kazi mingi na ni vizuri tuthome mwankara mwathani agagutethia gukinya maybe nyakethera otiona ngugi like maybe let's say education no withire ntukwe mo ukirugura ka skuru gaku nowadays gutena thina kurugura skuru bunka ke wena baruga ira chibaterete no kwa there we manager ndene skuru ekuna we the ukethigwa waterete management no uthome bado no kathithia business maybe kuringana na kiria urathithiti so kuthoma igukwega na guti remete kuthoma tuthomeni tuge at least tuthomete ingugi tutirona lakini I know and I believe no ukaremi yake mingi ukeza kuona ngugiu uninda akareta no mpeza na testimony for more than 7 years but at long last nilikuja kupata ni unkwenda kuuga atiri tuthomeni nontu ngugi chio a time will come utafurahia matunda ya masomo.
Thank you. Nibaga sana ndenda kunenkera kanya kawaile kamera Madam Purity waririe muchiari.
Mantu jako ni kithomo.
Ye mantu jako ni kithomo. No thai twiru theni what should we do with our children indira twina bumuchi.
Achiari twethereni tukimenyana betu mbere maybe bakuthithia like parents na to create time njega ekumenye imbi bakuthithia especially gikithomo na tukarasmishenia na ati lazima bethere baima ukune 24 hours basetere ni time kanosetera mwana oku time ya kuthoma ya kuchetha ya kusocialize na kinye ku relax nonto like right now CBC or CBE ikona I see ati ikona activities mingi sana ana iba kurema ana iba kuruga ana iba kuthithia mantu ja mingi iba guchetha michetho ni encourage twithireni tukikreatirana betu time ya mantu jonde tikithomo aki na tuba encourage gweta library nonto library kwena ka conducive environment ka kathongi sana ga kuthoma na ndiro kona mwana ongi nya by the way I concentrate na mauku inya wokage mwana kwa kage interest yako withira ima ukune.
Thank you. Nibwega sana kwina on friend Kikirimi Mwenda akaiwa following kindly kwina Lex Mutedia and you are watching live. Ask Madam Purity which type of books get is to learn the most. Nataka kumaanisha get is to learn the most. Asha Mudrimi akawa education is the key kwina Christine Kina akawa following.
Kwariria mantuja children what story now ama
Ariuria ask Madam Purity which type of books get stolen the most. Sasa sijaelewa pia mimi ni stolen ya kuibiwa ama ni gani?
Okay, maybe kulingana na buga tijekeda kuga stolen keda ikuiwa tugezanara library uka kwe very hard mwana kumarayo kumberema but ukeja kwethera maybe akumanisha zaraza geti ana bageti interest najo ana bonde nkenda kuga bate interest imwe kwina mwana ore wina interest ya kuthoma about stories tia animals tia nthiguru tia mantu mwanya so it's good kumenya mwana waku interest yewe inderi kwire na maybe wa mutwira mokuja wina interest najo no tujai bookshops most of the bookshops ikona vitabu mbalimbali.
Thank you Madam Purity no tubako ya Kristo chetu cha Meru TV twagweta ringi na ringi akienda weta na mbere na utukunira metho na matuma tunejegie kithomo no to I tell you ana baratwe na bontu kune chanende barere stack ki social media thimu a TV unerenkira mwana yuku akwira hapana mimi niekeko komelon wambura hapana ni masaa kufanya umwaka hapana mimi nieke chechi kule na yani na akaria gwatuka kinyoki bwithio umwaka we bwithio umwaka we mura na tichikithira kura mwana akibwithio umwaka ni appropriate ama sijui kuna watoto hawezi fanya umwaka ononga wakaurwa akabwithia akirira kunende ukomba kuthira ugitwariria kaita kwa kaita mutegeri wa Meru TV ni bwe yamno nontu bakona kanyaka ututhiatira kiri Meru TV mubango ni yaturinge mentuke ya Jumatano itiere ndeke ile twaki achirira chikinya thainya cherukiri ni chikinya thano ankendera ngichokera kiri mubango jwa the wave itira wina kaita kakeya.